ano lang to, tinanggal ko lang yung kanina. Nasa likod na ito eh, nasuot ko na ito eh, nasa loob lang.
Okay lang.
Pero alam mo nang kumakanta ka lahat ng mga words, pinakikinggan ko. Talagang, oo, tamang-tamang.
Ano yung favorite mo doon? Aber?
Grabe. Napapaganyan yung labi ko. Hindi talaga.
Theme songs natin.
Correct. Oo. Kaya nga, ang talaga naalala ko ulit, yung nga napag-usapan natin, hindi naman talaga kami magkakasama kung hindi dahil sa Dear Heart. Pwede ba natin kantahin yun?
Sige ba? Siyempre, you know, it's always been my favorite sentimental favorite and will always be. Kasi this is how everything started for me. It was my first movie. I was 15 and then I met you.
I was 14.
17. No, and then we met. Then of course we fell. All the milestones in my life happened in and because of that movie.
Minahal mo ba ako talaga?
Ikaw? Distract muna kayo ng sarili. Mag-text muna kayo. Ikaw ba talaga minahal?
Di ba ba may mic?
Nagtataka.
Baba mo yung mic mo kasi pag...
Ulit lang.
Hindi kasi pag nakababa yung mic, yakit mo ulit dahil iba yung nakikita ko.
Ano? Ako
okay.
o ano?
Hindi, yung nakikita ko yung puso mo.
Hindi nga. Tanungin tayo. Gusto ko malaman. Matagal ko nang hindi naitanong.
Yes.
Ako, oo. Siyempre. Diyos ko naman. No, talagang noon, I did not care if I continued acting. I don't know if you remember, I asked you in Alabang. I said, Pa, do you want me to stop? And you were so sweet. You said, no, babe, that's not the, ano.
Yeah, you shouldn't stop
no,
loving me.
No, but I wouldn't.
You shouldn't stop loving me.
No, I meant stop acting because I would have given up everything. I really would have.
Actually, ako rin gusto ko.
Ang gusto ko lang maging asawa niya. That was my ultimate dream. But I was very young.
Same tayo. Ang problema, pag nag-quit din ako, wala tayong
Kakainin. Okay na lang ang magtrabaho. Wag lang yung maraming maaligid sa mga sarap sa buhay. Pero wag tayo ba? Pasensya na, guwapo.
Pero, Dear Heart, para sa itong kantang to, para sa akin.
Sige, ikaw na, ako na naman ang kakanta. Sweldo mo na talaga to.
Sabi kita.
Amin talaga to.
Kapitan.
Ito, with feeling ko kakanta ito. Ba't dali mo ko tinatanong kung okay
ako? Pwede nyo anytime direct kapag nakakamta mo kayo ng medyo may emosyon. Tabi na kita.
Hindi. Maligaya ka ba sa mga desisyon mo sa buhay?
Oo, nagdesisyon ako. Nagagawa tayo ng show. Gusto ko talaga. Sampal.
Hindi. Appeal. Ikaw naman. High five. Baka kayo naman naging bagay.
Hindi, kasi gusto ko yung mga palad mo nandito.
Wow. Hindi ko nga immaculate na.
Hindi, iangat mo nga uli yung kamay mo. Yan. Sige, punuhan sinampal mo. Game. Go na. Kaya na natin to.
Alam mo, sakit man tanggapin, talagang flirt ka, no? Parang ano, kung yun ang lapitan, lalo kung nakapalda kayo.
I'm just...
Huwag ka maglalagay ng sapin sa piano mo, baka malang palda yan.
Dahil totoo niyan, wala sa script. I'm just being myself.
I know. No, but this is for all of you. Nagkakatuwaan lang po kami dito kasi it's nice to be performing with Gabby after all this time na finally we're comfortable, finally we're friends.
Yes, yes.
I think that's the end goal naman of this whole tour.
And ang hangad ko lang sana, magkaroon pa tayo ng mga 10 shows.
Yeah, we also.
Movie.
What did you want
Alam niyo kung bakit na sana mas marami pang shows. Yes. Yan yun, hintayin natin. Sa akin lang ho naman to. Kaya ako lang naman sana mas marami yung mga shows namin para mas matagal ko siyang hinahawakan sa akin.
You really still crush me, I know. No joke lang joke. Kakatawaan lang.
Bata pa ako, ganun lang talaga.
Oo, tanyo.
Nandito ko.
Kinantang ko, never say goodbye.
Lahat ng kakantahin ko ngayon, para sa'yo.
Okay. Tapos ako na naman ang una. Okay. Uy, in fairness, I started at 12 as a singer. So I've always been a singer. Gabby is a better singer now than he ever was. So proud.
Yung sa akin, nag-imbestiga ako dun sa likod. Hindi galing sa production, galing talaga sa kanya. Thank you.
Oo naman, binigyan mo ako ng anak. Tama lang naman yung may cake kapag birthday mo. Okay lang yun. Parang yung salamin mo.
I also just want everybody to know, since pinuri niya ako, I'm not a singer. I'm an actor, and I hope I'm doing a good job acting and singing.
Acting as a singer. Very good. No. But you've been practicing. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Ma'am!
Hi, babe. Thank you, babe.
Pag sinur kita, naku.
Thank you, babe.
Okay.
Okay.
Anyway,
let's sing a song
yes, for them.
And this is a very memorable song.
Sana po, if you watched Dear Heart, when it was showing in the theater, so if you watched it on YouTube or something, thank you so much. I hope that you are able, with what we are going to sing now, I hope you're able to go back to that time in your life where you were, at that time, what you were feeling. So, we'll go down that lane with you. This is for all of you. Dear